Let's jump right into this explainer and upgrade your Stremio setup today with unofficial community add-ons.
Ready to sync those high-def media links across all your devices? Let's get right to it.
First up, pick your add-on type. You've got Debrid, Torrent, HTTP, or Live TV.
Step 1. Open up your browser and head straight to the configuration URL for your chosen add-on. Step 2. Tweak your settings. You can easily adjust things like max results and preferred video resolutions here. Step 3. If you're using a premium Debrid service, now's the perfect time to integrate it.
Step 4. Once it's configured, just find your generated manifest URL and copy that link.
Step 5. Open your Stremio app, head over to Add-ons, and click on Add Add-on. Step 6. Go ahead and paste that manifest URL you copied into the box and hit Add. Step 7. A prompt will pop up. Just click Install to confirm adding it to your app. And you're done. The add-on installs and automatically syncs across all your connected Stremio devices. But a quick heads up, these unverified third-party add-ons offer free content but can carry security risks. The source explicitly warns us that unverified add-ons can contain malicious files that literally harm your device. Because of that, always connect to a trusted VPN to protect your online data while streaming.